welcome to the video lecture session of the Department of Robotics and Automation, Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. Myself, Priyadarshini, Assistant Professor of Robotics and Automation. I'm going to take a topic on Python programming. So let's see the basics of Python programming. So we all know the founder of Python programming is Guido van Rossum, and Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Python, when compared to other languages, it is very easy to understand and it is very user-friendly. That's why Python is now mostly used in many domains. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including object-oriented, imperative, and functional programming. And these are the key features of Python. As I said already, it is easy to learn. It is not very much restricted to syntax. It is just like a common readable English language where anybody can understand the syntax. And it is versatile. It is used in almost all domains, especially in the field of AI, data science, and so on. And it has a large community. It has got many inbuilt functionalities, modules, and which we can use it easily. And let's see about what is a compiler and an interpreter. And we all know that both are translators. Compiler and interpreter both are translators, which converts machine language into high-level language and vice versa. But the difference here is a compiler translates the source code as a whole, whereas an interpreter, it compiles or it translates line by line program code. In Python, we use both interpreter and compiler. When we use a compiler, we say the program is run in a scripting mode. That is, we compile the program, the source code as a whole. We have to type the whole program, save it using an extension, a file name with an extension .py, and finally when we run it, the whole source code will get executed. And this is said to use a compiler, and when a compiler is used, we say it runs in a scripting mode. And when it uses an interpreter, we say the program is run using an interactive mode. Here, when we type a line of code, it immediately gets executed. So we say that an interpreter is used for translation here. And these are the benefits of interactive mode. It is quick testing. Instantly, as soon as you type a code, in the next line, you get the output for the same. And debugging is very easy, and you can easily identify the errors. And the learning of syntax here is real time. Okay, so these are some of the benefits of using interactive mode. Now let's see how to run a Python code using both interactive mode and a scripting mode. So here I have installed a version of Python 3.7, and now when we get inside this IDLE, you get a command prompt like this, Python 3.7.9. This is the version of the Python that's being installed, and this symbol, it is called the chevron symbol, which means this indicates that we are in an interactive mode. Already I said interactive mode means an interpreter is used to translate the code. So for example, when I say print hi, okay, this is the code that I have given. Immediately this line gets executed and my output is hi. It has printed an hi here. Okay, so this means an interpreter is used to compile or to translate this line of code. So as soon as I type the line of code, it gets translated and immediately it gives me the output. So here my code is being run in an interactive mode. Let us see the same program to run in a scripting mode. So when I want to run it in a scripting mode, I have to open the file, new file, and here I give the code, print hi. Okay, and when I give an enter here, of course this will not show me the output because it is not line by line translation. I need to translate the code as a whole. So I go to file, I need to give save, file name, I'm giving it as sample. Okay, and since it is already in Python files, it automatically uses the extension .py. And when I give a save here, see here, top of this tab, I get my file name as sample.py. And now either I can click this run or I can click F5. And now here in my command prompt, I have got the output hi. This hi is executed using the scripting mode, and this hi was executed using the interactive mode. Here I have used the interpreter, and here I have used the compiler. Yes, so today's session is like how we have run the code using both a compiler and an interpreter. So in today's session we had seen how to run a simple Python script using both interactive mode and scripting mode, and in the next session we will see about the basic data types of Python. Thank you.